Good morning, friends. I kind of feel odd doing an introduction to myself because this group started with FCA guys at the University of Dubuque and my nephews and family. But I'm Coach Hansen, assistant coach at the University of Dubuque. And I do an introduction today because we've got people that I've never met before that are joined, just people that we started with a small group. It's grown. People said, "Hey, coach, can you send that to my wife? Can you send that to my friend?" And I don't know you, but I'm glad you're here with us. So I'm Coach Hansen, and the verse today is Psalm 89, verses 15 and 16. They read, "Blessed are those who have learned to acclaim you, who walk in the light of your presence, O Lord. They rejoice in your name all day long. They exult in your righteousness." I'll take a little picture of the devotional. It's a good one. It's a great way to start the day every day. This is how I start it typically, and I'm glad you're here with me. If you ever need anything, just please reach out. I'd be glad to pray for you or encourage you in any way I can. Thanks so much, guys.